Hello. In this training module, we will discuss how to manage your account. PortVision 360 displays the visitor's username in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this name displays links to places where you can change settings. Under User Settings, select Manage Account. Here, you can add or edit data associated with your PortVision 360 account. The screen for managing your account contains three sections: account information, contact information, and account configuration. Under account information, this includes the username, organization, and subscription type. Under contact information, this contains other ways to contact the user, including email address, phone, and physical address. Under account configuration, this provides a way to configure the time zone of the account, and if you prefer, to get alerts as emails. Let's say this year you are in charge of the Catalina Wine Mixer Regatta on the island of Catalina, just off the coast of Los Angeles. So you need all your information in reference to Pacific time. To do this, click on the box next to time zone. Scroll down, and here you'll see GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, -8 hours, Pacific time. Select Pacific time, save profile, and click Map to get back to your home page. Here you see Catalina Island, and then in the bottom right-hand corner, 5:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Savings Time. This concludes our module on how to manage your account. For more information on how to change preferences, please see Application Settings by clicking on the cog icon in the upper right-hand corner.